hotter than a mug out this joint, bro. What's up, bro? Chilling, man. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy 4, and we're back with another video. Today is the launch of my new series where I'm basically going to be going around the country to get cut by different barbers. So I thought, what better way to bring it in by featuring Quan_Cuts, one of my favorite local barbers in my city. He's located right outside of my city. It's kind of near King of Prussia, Norristown. For those of you who don't know, I'm from Philly. So he's right outside of Philly. One of my all-time favorite barbers. Super sharp. He can cut any texture. Let's jump straight into it. So right now he's combing through my hair. I have a very weird hair texture. It's kind of straight / wavy when it's short, but it gets curly when it's long. Right now he's taking his 3-guard, and I believe the lever is fully closed, and he has his wall seniors, and he's going with the grain in my hair pattern. He's going slow, making sure that it doesn't cut patchy, because my hair does naturally cut patchy. This is his second time cutting my hair. Definitely wanted to get him on the channel. Right now he's taking the 3-guard and he's debulking. So I'm gonna walk you guys through his fading process on my hair. So he has a 3-guard and he's debulking, and he's kind of flicking up towards the top to attempt to blend it out. And he's just creating his base right now. Then he goes in with his wall seniors with the lever open. So instead of it being closed, he has it fully open to set that base for the fade. And then he comes in with it closed, about an inch under that, and then he flicks that line out with his lever fully closed. And now he's just getting rid of all the hair at the bottom. Told him just to shave everything, shave my face, just keep my mustache. That's how I like it. So with this series, I'm gonna be getting the exact same haircut by every barber. I'm not gonna switch it up and make it unfair for another barber. No, I'm gonna be getting cut by some of the all-time YouTube greats. So whoever you want to see me get cut by, please comment down below. So he went in with his calipers and he flicked that bottom line out. And then he took his 1-guard fully closed, and now he has his half guard, his premium half guard. And then he switches to his 1.5 guard, fully closed. Goes up about ½ an inch, not a fully inch. So he goes up about ½ an inch. Then he goes to his 2, flicks that out real quick. His fading process is definitely unique. I've never seen anyone cut like this, for sure. So it was unique to watch. He had his 3-guard, and then he switched back to his 1.5, and he's using his corners. And now what I like that he did is he was feathering a lot. So he did this a lot during the haircut. Like I felt it. It didn't hurt or anything, but he did that a lot. That's called feathering, wedging too. And now he's taking his thinning shears, and he's thinning out the top of the fade. My hair can be difficult to fade sometimes, I'm not even gonna lie. And as you can see right here, he's still wedging with his 1-guard. And that's blended. So he's gonna jump into the other side, and I'll catch you guys for the back. So for the back, it's pretty much the same thing. Quan's gonna come in with his 1-guard fully closed. If you guys want to follow Quan, his Instagram is gonna be in the corner, the left-hand corner of this entire video. Came in with his 1-guard closed, and he came in with his 1.5. And he kind of switched it up in the back, but it's pretty much still the same idea. You do have to fade the back of my head a little differently because I have that little hump right there. So now he got his 2-guard flicking out, and as you can see, I was falling asleep, man. Super relaxing. I was just tired. I had a long day this day. And he came in with the thinning shears. Now this is something that I find very unique. A barber has never did this to me. So he started the shape up with his clippers, actually. I'm not sure why. Very unique, very different. No one has ever done that to me. I respect it though. cut definitely came out sharp. I could see why he did it, but definitely an unusual technique, but I respect it. And that's kind of why I made this series. I want you guys to see different techniques that barbers use, because there's a lot of different techniques out here. So he's just doing my shape up, keeping it pretty natural. I told him I did want enhancements. He doesn't add a lot, which I like. I don't mind a lot of enhancements, but he didn't add a lot. He just really added on my vertical bars. I have weak vertical bars, so I kind of need enhancements there. And right now he's just wedging. He's wedging away, and he's just detailing. My hair is very difficult to fade. Trust me, I've been self-cutting for years. It's super hard. Now he's getting together my eyebrows. I don't really get them done, but he was like, yo, we got to for the vid. I said, Quan, do your thing, man. Very talented barber. There's not a texture that I've seen that he can't cut. So he's cutting my unibrow. My eyebrows be wild. Y'all be grilling me in the comments, man. As you can see, that's sharp. He's just detailing the shape up now, making sure that thing crispy. He's doing my mustache. That's fire. Adding the finishing touches. That's fire. Crispy. This series is going to be a fun one. We're going to do a lot of traveling. Right here, he's just shouting out his people, which I truly respect.
Look at me. Hand up.
Putting his folks on.
Yeah.
This is how I came in. And this is how I'm leaving. Please like, comment, subscribe. Follow Quan on all platforms. I'm out. Peace.